that. This is the inside of our weight room. It is all very high-end D1 grade athletic equipment. Um, Probably as an initial investment of about $55,000 to pull this off. But we managed to figure out how to scrap that together. And it's incredible. And the reason I love that it's high end, like we've had people kind of twist our arm and say, could we get secondhand equipment? Well, we could. We could do that, but we were convinced that we wanted every kid that walked in this space. I've been in so many programs in my community where low income kids are given a space that I don't think is worthy of them. And it drives me crazy. And I think, for just a little bit more effort and some creative thinking about how to finance things or build a sustainable business model, I have kids that walk into this space, and this is the most glorious space that they walk into in their week. I walked into the county jobs program 6 years ago, and I remember walking into the portable, and my mom was a school teacher, and I walked into the portable for this alternative education model, and it was designed to do job skills trainings for kids. And I immediately could see that we had secondhand whiteboards, secondhand desks. These were the portables that had been falling apart on other campuses and had been trucked over to this sort of district office area. And I just thought to myself, that sends a powerful message to these students when they come in, that this is supposed to help them into their future. I want to send a completely different message to every kid that walks through our door when they come to be a part of this ministry. That's that excellence idea. And I think it's possible. I think we have more resources at our disposal than we realize. And again, we'll talk about more of that later.